Have you ever wondered how ancient rituals and simple objects can transform your life? Imagine unlocking the secrets to abundance, protection, and personal growth, using items as ordinary as a garlic clove or a key. In this video, we dive into the mystical world of everyday talismans that hold the power to alter our reality. From attracting wealth with cloves, to opening new opportunities with keys, these practices are not just about superstition. They are about setting intentions and manifesting your desires. In 50 years, you'll thank me for sharing this secret with you. I'm about to reveal 3 different ways to keep yourself safe, attract money, and summon abundance. You'll even learn how to open doors, literally. Once you try these 3 routines, you'll feel freer, more successful, and wealthier. Of course, you might be struggling financially, burdened with debt, or feeling insecure. It's normal to experience ups and downs. Today, I'll share 3 powerful tips to help you navigate through these challenges. But first, let's discuss some common setbacks that can dampen your spirits. I will introduce an ancient technique that blocks negative vibes from affecting your finances. Though it might sound trivial, these vibes can seriously slow you down. Be mindful and protect yourself. Get ready to learn a simple tradition that wards off negative emotions like anger and jealousy. It's as straightforward as using a garlic clove, but incredibly effective. Have you noticed how some people hang garlic in their homes? Not only does it repel negativity, but it also ensures that your kitchen, a symbol of prosperity and sustenance, remains protected. Now let me share a long-kept secret about garlic's amazing power. Join me on this journey to explore how garlic can act as a shield against misfortune. Remember, garlic's strength is profound. Whenever you feel lost or overwhelmed, remember that even a simple garlic clove can be a powerful ally. Applying garlic to your skin isn't just an old wives' tale. It creates a barrier that shields you from harm. Hold a clove gently, close your eyes, and envision a bright light that brings peace and happiness. Speak out the positive affirmations that uplift you. Focus on these actions. Garlic's power is activated by your firm belief. Keep it with you like a loyal friend. It will protect you wherever you go, whether in your pocket or tucked under your clothes. Keep an eye on the garlic as you go about your daily life. If it starts to change, it's a sign that it's absorbed negativity and transformed it into something positive. When this happens, replace it with fresh garlic and repeat the process. Sometimes, a simple clove can make a significant difference in stressful environments filled with jealousy, particularly at work. Using garlic daily will show you its beneficial effects, and soon you won't want to be without it. It's worth a try. It might just surprise you with its effectiveness. Here's another simple yet powerful practice involving cloves. Another spice that you can easily find in any store. These cloves can boost your financial luck and overall well-being. Take 7 whole cloves and hold them in your left hand. Close your eyes and repeat thrice. I attract infinite wealth. Believe in what you say. It's crucial. After the ritual, keep these magical cloves in your left pocket. It's a simple practice, yet it can profoundly impact your professional and personal growth. This method has helped many, and it could work wonders for you too. I think you should try it too. You'll be amazed at how things turn out. Now let's discuss the last charm, which is incredibly powerful and useful. Prepare to see how it can clear away negativity and pave the way for new opportunities. This amulet makes me optimistic about the future, where every step could lead to something wonderful. It's as if there are doors just waiting to be opened. So let's create a powerful charm for luck that will always accompany you, ensuring good things follow you at every turn. To attract even more abundance, comment money magnet below. First, get a key. This key will do more than just open physical doors. It can unlock all the good things you desire in life, like a new business, a new home, or even a new car. Whether it's a brand new key or one you already own, choose one that feels right. Choosing between a silver or gold key makes a difference. These colors are associated with attracting money and success. They enhance the key's power to open doors to prosperity. Next, find a green ribbon. Green symbolizes hope and growth, reminiscent of how wealth can sprout from the ground up. Now let's put it all together. Tie 3 knots in the ribbon and attach it to the key. In many cultures, the number 3 signifies that good things are coming. Hold the key and clearly state, "I'm ready for wealth and success in all shapes and sizes." Repeat this affirmation a few times to reinforce it. Always carry this charm with you. Wear it around your neck or keep it in your bag. It will serve as a constant reminder that good things are on their way. Incorporate this habit into your daily routine. At night, placing the lucky charm under your pillow can be a powerful ritual. The quiet and tranquility of night make it the perfect time to connect with your inner self and reflect deeply. Your mind is more receptive to new ideas when it's calm. As you drift off to sleep, envision a clear picture of your desires. It could be something significant like owning a home, or something simple like a reliable car. Visualizing these goals is like sending a message to the universe. Keeping the charm under your pillow sends a secret message to your mind. "These are my wishes." This belief will permeate your dreams, preparing your subconscious for the good things to come. During the day, keep the charm close in your pocket or bag, so that its positive energy accompanies you everywhere. Notice how situations change. Doors that seemed locked may suddenly open, and opportunities appear everywhere. This charm might seem unassuming, but it holds considerable power. Remember, possessing it isn't enough. You must believe in its potential. Give it a try and see what happens. Share your experiences. When we spread positivity, it multiplies, benefiting everyone. This kind of energy is not just powerful for you, but can be transformative for everyone around you. Imagine the impact of sharing these practices. Each person you enlighten becomes a beacon of light, extending the reach of these powerful rituals. Walking through your day with these rituals gives you a sense of purpose and protection, altering how you interact with the world. Opportunities become more accessible, and challenges that once seemed daunting become manageable. It's not just the physical items, but the mindset they cultivate. A mindset of abundance, protection, and positivity can truly be a game changer. As you continue using these symbols, the garlic that shields you, the cloves that draw wealth, and the key that unlocks opportunities, you may develop a deeper understanding of their significance. These items are more than just talismans. They are manifestations of a larger truth about the power of intention and belief. By focusing your mind on positive outcomes, you're actively shaping your reality. This principle, recognized across different cultures and eras, emphasizes that these rituals are a form of self-care. These practices offer you a moment to focus on your needs and desires, reinforcing your intentions. This can be a soothing and grounding activity, helping you manage the stresses of daily life more smoothly. As you nurture your inner world, it reflects in your outer world, creating a balance that attracts more positivity. As you grow accustomed to these rituals, you might notice subtle shifts around you. People may respond more positively to you, opportunities could arise more often, and a general sense of well-being might increase. These signs indicate that your efforts are resonating, that the energy you emit is being reflected back to you. In challenging times, these rituals can be a source of comfort and strength. Knowing that you have tools to protect yourself and attract good fortune can empower you, giving you the resilience to confront obstacles confidently. This is especially valuable during periods of uncertainty or change, providing a stable foundation to navigate new situations. Consider the garlic and key not just as objects, but as symbols of your journey and commitment to your well-being. Each use reaffirms your intention to live a life filled with abundance and protection. This consistent reinforcement helps embed these beliefs in your subconscious, making them a permanent part of your reality. Over time, you may tailor these rituals to better suit your needs and circumstances. This natural evolution enhances their effectiveness, making them even more personal and powerful. The key is to stay connected to the core intentions of protection, abundance, and positivity. The specifics of the rituals can be flexible, as long as you maintain focus on these goals. One of the most striking features of these practices is their simplicity. They require no special tools or elaborate preparations, making them accessible to everyone. This ease of integration ensures that they can become a regular part of your daily routine, increasing their effectiveness. As you delve deeper into these practices, you might become more attuned to the energies around you. This heightened sensitivity can help you better navigate your environment, swiftly recognizing potential challenges and opportunities. It can also enhance your connections with others, as you become more aware of the energies they bring into your space. Sharing these practices with friends and family is rewarding. Not only does it spread positivity, but it also fosters a network of support and shared intentions. This collective energy can amplify the effects of the rituals, strengthening the sense of community and connection. Imagine a community where everyone practices these rituals and shares their positive energy. The collective mindset of abundance and protection could become a powerful force for good, benefiting everyone involved. This type of community provides a strong support system, helping each member achieve their goals and overcome challenges more easily. As you share these practices, you might also learn new variations and techniques from others. This exchange of knowledge enriches your practice, introducing you to new ideas and perspectives. You may find that keeping your rituals fresh and engaging helps prevent them from becoming routine or stagnant. In this way, the practice of these rituals can become a living, evolving tradition, constantly adapting to the needs of those who engage with them. This dynamic nature helps keep the rituals relevant and effective, ensuring they continue to provide protection and attract abundance for years to come. As you continue on this journey, remember to stay open to new possibilities and opportunities. The rituals you practice are just one part of a larger process of personal growth and development. By staying focused on your intentions and remaining open to new experiences, you can continue to attract positive energy and create a life filled with abundance and protection. Share these practices with others and watch as the positive energy multiplies, creating a ripple effect of good fortune and well-being. As this positive energy spreads, you'll notice an even greater transformation in your life. The power of these rituals lies not only in the objects themselves, but also in the collective belief and shared intention behind them. Imagine a typical day where these practices are fully integrated into your routine. You wake up in the morning, and the first thing you do is hold the garlic clove you keep by your bedside. You take a moment to close your eyes, feel the energy of the garlic, and set a positive intention for the day ahead. This simple act sets the tone for a day filled with purpose and protection. As you prepare for your day, you might tuck the clove of garlic into your pocket or place it discreetly in your bag. Knowing it's there provides a sense of security, a reminder that you are protected from negative influences. This sense of protection can be incredibly empowering, giving you the confidence to face whatever challenges the day might bring. Throughout the day, you might find yourself in situations where you need a little extra boost. Maybe you're about to enter an important meeting, or perhaps you're dealing with a difficult personal situation. In these moments, you can reach for the garlic clove, the cloves in your pocket, or your key talisman. Just holding these objects and focusing on their purpose can provide a sense of calm and strength, helping you to navigate the situation with greater ease. In the evening, as you unwind from the day, you can perform another brief ritual with your key talisman. Holding it in your hands, you can reflect on the day's events, expressing gratitude for the positive moments and releasing any negative energy. This nightly ritual can help you let go of the day's stresses, preparing you for a restful night's sleep. Over time, you'll start to notice the cumulative effects of these practices. The garlic clove, once just a simple vegetable, will become a powerful symbol of protection and resilience. The cloves will remind you of your capacity to attract wealth and abundance, while the key will serve as a constant reminder of the opportunities that await you. You might also start to see changes in your interactions with others. People may respond to you more positively, drawn to the energy of confidence and positivity that you project. This can lead to stronger relationships, both personally and professionally, creating a network of support that further enhances your sense of well-being. The impact of these rituals can extend beyond your personal life, influencing your professional endeavors as well. The confidence and protection you feel can translate into greater success at work, helping you to seize opportunities and overcome obstacles. This can lead to career advancements, financial growth, and a greater sense of fulfillment in your professional life. As you become more experienced in these practices, you might find yourself inspired to share them with a wider audience. Perhaps you start a blog or a social media account dedicated to sharing your journey and the positive effects of these rituals. This can create a community of like-minded individuals, all supporting each other in their pursuit of protection, abundance, and positivity. The act of sharing these practices can be incredibly fulfilling, allowing you to contribute to the well-being of others. It also reinforces your own commitment to these rituals, as teaching and sharing with others helps to deepen your own understanding and belief. You might also find new ways to personalize these rituals, incorporating elements that resonate with you personally. This could involve using different types of herbs or spices, incorporating crystals or other natural elements, or creating new affirmations that speak to your specific goals and desires. This personalization can make the rituals even more powerful, as they become uniquely tailored to your needs and intentions. In this ongoing journey, remember that the most important element is your belief and intention. The objects themselves, garlic cloves and keys, are symbols that help to focus your mind and energy. The true power lies in your ability to harness this energy and direct it towards your goals. As you continue to practice these rituals, you may find that your understanding of energy and intention deepens. You might become more attuned to the subtle energies around you, able to sense positive and negative influences more easily. Share your experience and blessings of the universe in the comments box. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.